Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea what's in this one once again, but the name on the front is familiar, so we'll figure it out together. Thank you so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and other benefits, there's of course a link right down in the description. You're supporting me in the world to me, and please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alright, let's go ahead and make a cut right here. And I'm going to guess that this is most likely in response to the recent community post about knives that I'm looking for. You're welcome to check that out in the community tab on my YouTube channel. I'd say we're about 2/3 of the way through that list. There are definitely some other ones I'm still looking for, though. All the information you'll need will be right there. Okay, we have a Spyderco. Flip that over. Front of the box looks better than the back of the box. And we have another Spyderco. All right, and I'm guessing somewhere, lots of pack material. There's a note. Good deal. Oh, it's a heavy note. Interesting. What is this? Okay. Let's take a look here. The challenge coin is yours to keep or give away. Hey, thank you. That was really nice. All right. Instagram here. Let's take a look at Wicked Sharp. Give him a follow. It's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. Let's go ahead and I'm going to scoot my background up here just a bit. First one up. What do we have here? I think I'm finally going to get to review the Spyderco Military. Yeah, finally. Guys, I have not reviewed this knife on the channel yet. This is I mean, it's a giant PM2 liner lock essentially. This is cool. It's just, I mean, considering all the other Spyderco knives that I've reviewed, especially in the American line, it's insane that this channel is over 2.5 years old, and I have never reviewed the Spyderco Military. So thank you. We've got an awesome version of it here to take a look at. This one's all blacked out. Very, very cool. I will of course link the Spyderco Military and Spyderco knives in general down in the description. And then we have a variant of knife that well, the knife, I've actually reviewed this model before, but this is a new variant. So this is the Spyderco Delica 4, but what's special about it? It's in K390. Here's why I wanted to take a look at this knife. K390 is a monstrous steel. I bought a little Spyderco Ladybug in K390. I watched Cedric and Ada's review of it, and I was like, that's cool. And I mean, like, I bet that'd work pretty well on my keychain. Turns out, yeah, it works really well. But I wanted a chance to test the steel. I wanted to see, like, if I just beat on this thing and don't clean it and don't do anything with it, right, and I just cut open stuff and I throw my keys around, right, my keys get thrown everywhere. I thought that'd be a good test for that steel. Oh my goodness. K390 is insane. These new steels like Rex 45 and K390 are just blowing my mind. So, yeah, with a bunch of Spyderco knives coming out in this new K390, and I'll link, I think what I'll do is I'll link whatever's available through Spyderco right now in K390. Keep in mind, K390 is not stainless. The edge retention is insane though. So I think the best way to put it is like take edge retention that goes beyond S110V, right? But make it way tougher, much less likely to chip, much more likely to roll if it does do something like that. But it's not stainless. So it's a balancing act, right? That's going to be really tempting for people who live in an area where corrosion is not an issue. But for, like, if you live near the ocean, K390 is not, it's not going to be your thing. But out here in Kansas, where we don't have much of an issue with corrosion, I've found that, you know, the excess stainless properties in steels like M390 and S110V are not, it's not needed as much. So I can do with more benefit from the toughness behind the, you know, on the edge. So yeah, of course, I wanted to take a look at this this K390 Delica. Very cool, very exciting. This is definitely something that I mean, two knives that I'll have plenty to say about, I'm sure. And thanks again for the challenge coin. That's so cool. Is this a Spyderco challenge coin? Yeah, dude, that's awesome. Thank you. That was really kind of you. Again, give @WickedSharp a follow on Instagram. That was really, really nice of you. All right, guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.